Statement of Tajik protesters in Vienna, Austria. We, the Tajik activists living in Austria, are very concerned over the current situation in Tajikistan and Rahmon's oppressive policies. Tajik nations nowadays faces the worst situation since the end of civil war in 1997 that may lead to the worst political crisis since independence in 1992, as well as it's very dangerous not only in Tajikistan but also to the region as whole. The Tajik government does not have a long-term vision and determination to solve the problems of the people, like national currency, speedy fall, highest rate on unemployment after the return of Tajik immigrants from Russia, winter electricity, crisis in other social, economics and political problems. Moreover, after banning the Islamic Revival Party of Tajikistan and arresting tens of its high-ranking members and their liars, and also killing the leader of Group 24, Mr. Umar Ali Kuatov, and Turkey. The government has dramatically escalated its pressures on political activists and their family members, limited freedom, sank in nepotism and corruption. The government has chosen their oppressive policies against its own citizens who dare to criticize it. Unfortunately, the government, for hiding its own failure, helps and ineffectiveness in solving the social, economic and political problems of the country, to draw the attention of Tajik and world society to other minor and less important issues like banning birds, hijab, Arabic sounding names, converting hundreds of mosques to the places of music, dancing and entertainment, preventing citizens under 40 years all from Hajj. We, the Tajik protesters, request our partner and friend countries, international organizations like United Nations, European Union, OSCE, OIC, International Union of Muslim Scholars, as well as human rights organizations like Freedom House, Human Rights Watch, International Crisis Group, Norwegian Helsinki Committee, to urge the government to, first, in all kinds of pressures and persecutions of all political activists inside and outside the country and their family members inside the country. Free all political prisoners and detainees who were arrested on false and fabricated charges which links to their political activities. Number 3, ensure inclusion, freedom and respect to all citizens, regardless of gender, religion, political views, regions. Number 4, not to interfere in people's views in choosing their appearance, their form of worship, their clothes. Number 5, impose sanction of Tajik top high-level officials, including visa ban, freezing bank accounts, and financial restrictions. This is the end of the later Tajik protesters in Austria on date 23 February 2016. Thank you very much.